fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. So, you have an idea kung ano po yung gagawin natin. Let's go, guys. Samahan niyo po ako. As we all know, guys, di ba, ang mahal ng bilihin and all, lahat-lahat po, nagmahal po talaga. So, then ito na nga po, i-try po natin itong organic facial wash. Try po natin to, guys. So, na-discover ko po ito dun sa aking niche po na yung health benefits ng rice water. So, kaya ko po ito ginagawa. Sharing with you guys. So, ito po yung rice water po. Pag naglinis po kayo ng inyong bigas, isang tabi nyo po, iset aside. So, ayan na po siya. And ito na po siya. Nilagay natin sa palangkana. So, this is my first time doing this, guys. And, maganda po siya talaga sa mukha. Yan, gamitin natin ito, guys. Para sa ating face, ilamas natin yung rice water. Let's go! And now, ayan, I am washing my face using the rice water po, yung galing po sa ating bigas na isinaing. So, iset aside natin. Ginawa natin facial wash. Ayan na, guys. O, diba? And maganda po siya kasi parang nililinis niya talaga. I don't know what's with the rice. Pero parang nakakatulong po talaga siya sa skin natin, guys. And this is it, guys. So, ginagawa ko po ito twice a day. When I wake up in the morning and then before I go to bed. So, dalawang beses po sa isang araw. And that's it!
Leave me, baby. Don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it. But you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it. Maybe separate is better.
Nangyari kasi, guys, naubusan ako ng facial wash. So, I remember na I have a niche, I have a content na like this. I tried it and this is it. So, rice water, guys, is being high in starch. Rice water is a potent natural astringent that cleanses pores, balances sebum production, eliminates acne-causing bacteria, and drastically reduces the occurrence of acne. If your skin has turned blotchy because of sunspots or acne marks, then rice water will work like a charm. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button so you'll be updated on the next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Evan Alira here is signing off.